Did you just undo something?
What? What?
Unbelievable. Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines. It's your boy Ty Too Fast. Today we got a Sunday group ride and we got a ton of different bikes out here. We got a Triumph, we got Josh out here, we got Elijah out here with his girl. You guys have already seen some of these bikes. We just had Bray pull up on the brand new beautiful R1. You guys have seen him before on the channel, but he was on a Kawasaki Ninja 6, so he jumped up to a 1000. And then we got a beautiful BMW S1K all black, looking extra crispy. And then I'm on the Ninja today, so today should be a very exciting day. We're about to hit the highway and head to Bloomington again, take some back roads, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Today's gonna be lit. Taking interstate, yep. We're doing the kind of the way that we came back, but we're not going through Greenwood. We're taking 74 to 465, taking 69 down. I definitely want to give a major shout out to everybody coming. This is what we do it for right here, yo. I wish I would have got an R1 instead of the R7, bro. I need to get those ASV levers too. These.
Well, I skipped breakfast because I wanted to be there on time.
Exactly. You're good, buddy. You're good. Alright guys, so we're about to hop on the highway. Got the beautiful S1K. I like the all black one too. Hey, make sure you guys get up behind it and stuff on the highway. You know what I mean? Like do flybys and... S1K. That was a good one, y'all! I think I got him on that one. Second. Alright, so now we're going to do the ZX-10R. Second. got the beautiful Alpine Stars jacket on. Oh yeah, bud. I definitely appreciate him, man. We're trying to make something big happen in Indy. I know that for sure. Appreciate every last one of these guys for coming out today. It's bike life, baby. If you are not a part of it, you need to join the 2FASTLIFE. There's nothing like it, especially when we got the whole group out here, man. That R1 definitely sounds good. He's got the Krapovich on it. I know Bray's happy about this one. I like his leather pants too. He just got those pants. You guys already know we got the OG on the channel. We got Elijah with us. We got his girl with us. Alright guys, so we're about halfway there. We got a couple roll races in. Hoping you guys enjoyed that footage. The ZX-10R, I'm telling you, is a beast. But this is what it's about, y'all. Beautiful day outside. I think it's only going to be a high of like 75. Woo! We're getting closer, guys. I think we're about 10 miles out. Should be a really good day today. We're meeting Logan down, same place we met last time. I brought a lot of different people up, or down this time with me. And yeah, we're gonna hit some back road twisties, try to make the most out of the day. Should be a good time. Hopefully everybody will return home safe. Last time I came out here, I forgot to bring the drone batteries with me. So this time I definitely made sure to bring all the batteries I needed for the drone and everything. Try this one. We'll have to switch too. Alright guys, so I just hopped on an R1. To see the Ninja. Woo! By clean, baby. It sounds good. It's good, right? This is my first time riding the R1, you guys. I need to hop on his SK. Oh, you hear the pumps on the Ninja? That thing looks good though. I'm on Bray's R1, he's on the Ninja. I know. I think he likes it. Ooh, that thing just sounds so mean. It sounds so good. That thing sounds so good, bro. Alright guys, so this is the R1 I just hopped on. Bray just got this one. That was a fun little ride on that. My first time being on an R1. Logan just pulled up. I got to see the ZX-10R on the side. Somebody else riding it, which is kind of cool because I'm always riding it. I never get to get like any footage of me riding it, so that was cool. And then I'm about to hop on, what year is this? 24 BMW S1K and give it a little spin. Let me get my gloves really quick. No, I'm just gonna take his down the street really quick. So yeah, this will be my first time on a BMW S1K. Can you get a picture on my phone of me on it?
Hey, if the grips are hot, it's because the heated grips are on.
Really?
Click the heated grips on, bro? Yeah, bro, I have them on max. I'm getting it going. Look at this button right here.
Which one? Okay. So I think he's got the stock exhaust on this one. Definitely has a quick shifter. And we got a car pulling out right in front of me. That's awesome. Oh yeah, this thing shifts like butter. He had the heated grips on. You could definitely feel them. That's a really nice feature on this bike. Yeah, this S1K is nice, y'all. And I definitely like the all black on it. Now I just need to get on the Ducati think he's got this tuned yet either. Beautiful bike though. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. BMW S1K or Ducati Panigale V4? Alright guys, so we just had Logan pull up. And that's all I gotta say. Logan is gonna be leading us. He knows this area. As you guys can see, we got a big group with us. Alright guys, so we are out by Monroe Lake and we got some photos in. We got a couple photographers and it should be exciting from this point forward. Hopefully everything we got so far is so good. I think you guys are gonna enjoy the footage from today. So everybody ride safe. Alright, take it. What's that one road we went down though?
You want to go down the road we went when we went with Emily and Jonah?
Yeah, cause that one's open.
That's a left turn.
Everybody be careful.
And we could cruise like back behind Popcorn and shit, but that's all fresh paved in Rockport, and that'll work. And that spits us back up toward my house.
Are you a fast rider?
Yeah, I could ride through the corners fast, but the old bike only hits 110.
That's cool. That's cool. That's all we need. I'm just saying, some people might not want to pass like other cars and shit. That's why I want to go down that one road he took us down, and then I'm just saying I might pass a few cars. So if you guys want to pass cars too. Did you just undo something?
What?
Unbelievable. Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines. Oh yeah, bud, pulling up the wheelies. Oh yeah, bud. I love these back roads, y'all. Take us down the best ones. Oh no!
That Gixxer is the squiggliest thing I've ever seen. I finally got speed while I was still coming over the hill. Yeah. I just stayed in it.
Thank you. It's still alive?
Dude, those one hills, there's a couple times I come out through there and I just jump off of them.
Everybody's still alive?
Hell yeah.
That one turn where, like, I forget which one it is, but it's like you don't expect it to be what it is.
It turns to the right.
Yeah.
It gets down and goes.
Exactly.
You weren't too close to me because that one, I know those bikes are harder to slow down.
Exactly.
Like I can hang it out into a corner, but then I can slow down faster.
Correct.
Yeah.
How are you liking it? No. You didn't tell her what we were doing, huh? Just ride at your own pace, you know what I mean?
That's crazy. Keep going around like left and right.
Hey, I love this shit, bro.
Yeah, this is tough. I like this so much.
Swear. Alright guys, so that is going to be all for us. We have to go our separate ways. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We got some cool photos. It was an amazing group ride. We got some drone footage. So I'm going to put this video together for you guys and I hope you enjoy it. We're probably going to hit Bedford, Indiana soon and get another group ride in here soon. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Tide 2Fast, we are out.